Hey guys, thank you for watching. For this video, I want to do a taste test for the Quest Nutrition protein chips. So I saw these in Amazon and I had to try them. I love chips. In fact, the only reason that I'm still on keto is because I can eat pork rinds and they have different flavors and stuff. So as soon as I saw these, I got excited. One of these packages is a total of 3 net carbs. So 3 net carbs for this one. And just for comparison, one of these Lay's, classic Lay's, which is 4 grams less than this one. So this one's 32 grams. This one's 28.3 grams. This one is 14 net carbs. So I can pretty much eat 5 of these to equal the amount of carbs in one of these. So just take a quick look at the ingredients. The first ingredient is protein blend, which includes milk protein isolate, whey protein isolate, and then the next ingredient is high oleic sunflower oil, and then cornstarch and natural flavors, and after that is 2% of a bunch of other stuff. So it seems like most of it is whey protein. Now it's 130 calories, 4 grams of fat, like I said, 3 net carbs, and 20 grams of protein. So this one's high on protein. I mean, but they are protein chips. So again, on keto, you don't want to go too crazy with the protein. If you're going to the gym and lifting weights, then that's something that maybe you're using more protein to repair your muscles, so it should be okay. But I don't go to the gym, so I'm just gonna try one of these just to test it out. So let me open it. Okay, so I have the sour cream and onion flavor, and I can smell it right away. It smells pretty good. It's not too different from the Lay's. So you can see, I'm gonna try this little trick that people do. Okay, so as you can see the flavoring right on there. Okay, and I'm gonna try this. Okay, it doesn't look like chips. It looks like it's when you heat up a tortilla where it kind of bubbles up in the center. So, that's not bad. It's not as crunchy as a regular Lay's, but it's kind of powdery at the end, but not so much so that you can, feel it on your throat or anything like that. The flavor is really good. I like the crunch. Wish it was a little bit crunchier though. I do taste the protein a little bit. It's kind of like bland. But with the flavoring, it's not as obvious. They're really good though. Again, it's a little powdery at the end, but right off the bat, the crunch is nice. They're pretty good. I like them. I like this flavor at least. I didn't see any other flavors, so I hope they come up with more. For now, I got me a box of these for me and my wife. I got the old school ones for my daughters for their snacks. But yes, I recommend these. It's good. What I'll do is I'll put the link down below, so if you want to buy some of these. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel. Leave me any comments or questions below, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Enjoy.